Hi guys, welcome to another acrylic painting video. Excuse me for the shortness of breath because I still have my damn cold. At least it's not the flu, but listen, I got a sinus problem with the cold, so, and it's a big one. It's a, you know what they call a man's cold. So anyway guys, today we're gonna do another thing special. We're gonna do a fluid pouring. It won't be a flip cup, it will be strictly a pouring, and we're gonna do it inside mason jar top, but only with the ring, you know. So we're gonna put it on our canvas, then we're gonna pour paint each color over one another. The thing we're gonna do different is because you see, I look out there's a lot of people doing that kind of technique. Maybe with other kind of ring, but still the same thing. But they all use medium in it. They can use silicone, white glue, any kind of product. But what we're going to do, we're going to do it straight up on the acrylic and water, just to show you that you don't have to get worried and to try a lot of things. Just water and acrylic, you're gonna see it's gonna look great. Like we said before on other videos, it's the accidental technique of Siqueiros, the great painter that we talked about a few times. Only water, paint, acrylic paint, and all kind of thing can happen. As you can see, which the one we did looks like a flower bouquet. So I think it's very nice, and there's no medium in it. There's nothing, only acrylic and water. So that's the difference we're gonna do. It's only acrylic and water. So let's go at it and we'll see what happens. So guys, another one done. I have to tell you that I'm a bit baffled about the finished product. Did you see all the cell? And I guarantee you I didn't put silicone or anything in my acrylic except for water. What I suppose happened is that we put in the small ring, we put the acrylic one over the other pot. So I think what happened is that it make some oxygen pocket. So it did some bubbles, if you want. I don't see any other reason, because listen, I never used a product before, and as you might know, I did over 100 paintings of all kinds, but I never had a result with as many cells as we got, even when I use silicone or other medium like white glue. So I'm not, like I say, I'm not quite sure, because now what's happening, there's some cell a bit disappearing and getting all mixed up, fluid-like, with other colors. I'm a bit baffled. The only thing I think about is what I tell you, what happened while putting a lot of acrylic inside our mason ring. I think that's the only thing I could see. Anyway guys, it's great. As you see, I had a lot of acrylic left, so I decided to pour it over a painting which I dislike. Well, no, which I hate. So it was one we did a long time ago. I think it was 4 or 5 months ago, something like that. And I really didn't like it. It was a painting that I tried to reproduce some relief on it with gesso. It didn't turn out quite what I wanted, and in fact it was horrible. So I did put the same painting that we had, the same acrylic with only water. I did put it over, as you see now, I did put it over the canvas, which was already made with other products, and I said why not. So I put silicone, spray silicone over it, that kind. I did put it over it, and then I burned it. And there's, I would say, 100 times less cells than there is with the one we did only with water. So your guess is as good as mine. Let's say that. So guys, anyway, I hope you liked it. I hope you're gonna try it, because if you like cells, well, that's the way to go, that's for sure. But you have to put a lot of acrylic in it, in the ring, and of course I did put almost half and half of water. So that's another factor why there's so much bubble-like in our acrylic. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed, hope you're gonna come back, and please, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So see you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.